Ayan, kumusta? Kumusta po? Sige. Ayan, sino ang can answer the question? Ano ang ginawa mo ngayong araw? What did you do today? Ano ang ginawa mo ngayong araw? Sige. You can say something na as simple as nag-work ako ngayong araw, today, or nag-run ako ngayong araw. Sige. Kahit simple sentence lang. Sige, Mikey, ano ang ginawa mo ngayong araw?
Lumalangoy ako.
Mhm,
Oh, ngayon. Ha?
ngayon, ngayong araw, lumangoy ako ngayong araw, past tense. Sige, lumangoy ako ngayong araw. Sige. Catherine, anong ginawa mo ngayong araw?
Nag-volunteer ako ngayon araw.
Magaling, magaling. Ana Palacios, anong ginawa mo ngayong araw?
Nagtratrabaho ako sa opisina.
Magaling, magaling. Liberty Estolas, ano ang ginawa mo ngayong araw?
Ah, pumasok ako sa trabaho.
Magaling, magaling. Salamat. Sige. Ayan. Ana Palacios, did I call you already? Anong ginawa mo ngayong araw?
Yes, Ate Sherry, you did
Oh,
ask me already.
sige.
Thank
Salamat.
you.
Sige. Ayan, reminder my friends na if you want to sign up para ma-assign kayo with a speaking partner or a group um, Tagalog review class, um, find the link na sinend out ko noong Sunday sa email. You'll find the link there. You can sign up. I'm going to close the sign up para sa speaking partner next week. Sige? Okay po, mag-share na po ako ng aking screen. Ayan. Ayan, and if kayo will use World Remit, use the code Jeepney School to get $20 discount and support Jeepney School by using World Remit. Salamat! Sige. Ayan, welcome to Jeepney School Tagalog class. Ang lesson natin sa araw na ito ay how to express time in Tagalog. Sige. And it will be fun because we will learn Spanish numbers because that's how we express time sa Tagalog. Sige. Now, there is a Tagalog way how to express time, but it's really old that no one uses or no one express time anymore that way. And I remember my grandparents, that's how they express time. But in today's Philippines, they use Spanish words only. Sige. Ayan. Pero bago yan, gusto kong mag-review tayo. Sige, I want to ask, ano ang gagawin mo sa Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules? So I need 7 people to answer Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules, Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo. I will be the one asking and then you tell me what you did. You can use these words. Sige. Future tense. Sige. Ano ang gagawin mo sa Lunes? Sarah Michelle Aquino, anong gagawin mo sa Lunes?
Maglalaba ako sa Lunes.
Magaling. Anong gagawin mo sa Martes, Francis Salvador?
Mag magbibiyahe tayo sa Martes.
Magaling. Ang Angelica Riaso, anong gagawin mo sa Miyerkules?
Magpapahinga ako sa Miyerkules.
Magaling. Ray Cyron Antonio, anong gagawin mo sa Webes?
Magluluto ako sa Huwebes.
Magaling. Marian Daniel, anong gagawin mo sa Biyernes?
Maglalaba ako sa Biyernes.
Magaling. Ano ang gagawin mo sa Sabado, Claire Villaroman?
Magpapahinga ako sa Sabado. Oh,
Mag-
Linggo?
Sabado. Sige.
Sabado.
Magaling. But you can rest sa Sunday too. Ayan. Ano ang gagawin mo sa Linggo, Mark Luon?
Mag-aaral ako sa linggo.
Magaling. Sige, salamat. Ayan. Ngayon, now let's do our time sa Tagalog. So, asking the time. So, the most common question is, anong oras na? What time is it? Sige, anong, what oras, time na? So, Ate Chera, I thought na is just a linker. No, na plays so many roles sa Tagalog. It is a linker, but it also means now, but it also means already. And there's probably a list of other words that we use na for, okay? Pero in this question, na means now or already. So the word now is ngayon, but when you say na, there's that sense of urgency like now. Sige? You can ask anong oras ngayon or anong oras na ngayon, but that's just redundant because na means now and ngayon means now. So to save you time and energy, ayan, just say anong oras na. Okay, anong oras na? Let's say it together. Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Yan, magaling. Sige. Now let's do numbers. Sige. So ang mga numero sa orasan ay in Spanish. Sige, I will read ang mga numbers very slowly and follow me. Sige? Alauna, alas dos, alas tres, alas cuatro, alas cinco, alas seis, alas siete, alas ocho, alas nueve, alas 10, alas 11, alas 12. Okay? Sige. So, ito, I know that you just memorized the numbers in Tagalog, but this is just the fun part of learning a language. You just have to learn another set of numbers, but in Spanish. Sige? Ayan. Now, actually, I'm gonna give you an example of how to use the numbers you just learned, isa, dalawa, tatlo, in telling time. This is how they would say it. Ika-dalawa ng hapon. Ika-dalawa ng hapon. That's how my grandparents would tell time. Ika-dalawa ng hapon. But they don't say ika-dalawa ng hapon anymore. Okay? They just say Spanish. Sige? Now, for morning, sa Tagalog, we say umaga. Umaga. Let's say umaga 3 times. Umaga, umaga, umaga. Very good. For noon, we say tanghali. Tanghali. Let's say tanghali 3 times. Tanghali, tanghali, tanghali. Very good. Next is hapon. Hapon. Very good. Let's say hapon 3 times. Hapon, hapon, hapon. Okay, now I want to emphasize the pronunciation for hapon. So for the first syllable, ha, you stretch the A. Hapon. Okay, vowel lengthening. Because if you say hapon, it means Japan. Sige? So say hapon. Okay? Next is gabi. Gabi. Gabi, evening. Now, this is the funny part. Now, I want you to shorten the A for ga. Because if you say gabi, it means the taro. I don't know if you know that taro. It's like ube. It's gabi. But if you say gabi, it means evening. Sige? Next, hating gabi. Hating gabi, hati is half. Half of the night. Hating gabi, midnight. Okay? And then we have madaling araw. Madaling araw, early morning. Madaling araw. Okay? Sige, now, for 7 a.m., how do we say that or read that sa Tagalog? We say alas 7 ng umaga. Alas 7 ng umaga. It's 7 of the morning or in the morning. Sige? Next, for 4 p.m., we say alas 4 ng hapon. Alas 4 ng hapon. For 8 p.m., we say alas 8 ng gabi. 8 in the evening or 8 of the evening. Sige? Now, what if you want to say 8:30, Ate Cherry? We still say it sa Spanish. Alas 5:30 ng gabi. Alas 5:30 ng gabi. Now, and then if you want to be more specific, 15, 15, 40, 40, 50, 50. Sige? Ayan. Next ay ito. Now, if you want to participate, raise your hand. Ako will ask the question, anong oras na? Anong oras na? What time is it now? So how do you answer? You say, let's say, if I circle 7 p.m., you say alas 7 na ng umaga, or p.m., it's hapon. Alas 7 na ng hapon. I added na here because my question has na. Okay, so there's like, oh, what time is it now? Okay, ready? Make sure po kayo ay nakamute. Sige. Ayan. Anong oras na? This one. Anong oras na? Mona Del.
Alas. Sorry, I'm looking through my notes.
Oh, okay lang. It's on the screen too.
Oh, my bad. Alas 3 ng hapon.
Magaling, magaling. Sige. Ayan. Next. Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Page?
Alas 5 na ng hapon.
Mahapon. Magaling. Sige. Next. Anong oras na? Sorry. Ito. 9 p.m. Anong oras na? Isaac Velasquez.
Okay. Alas 9 na ng hapon.
Magaling. Sige. Or gabi, evening, gabi, 9 p.m. Sige. Next po ay anong oras na? Ito, 11 p.m. Anong oras na? Rendell.
Ala 11 na ng gabi.
Magaling. Sige. Anong oras na? Pasensya, it's hard to use my fingers sa mouse. Anong oras na? 6 o'clock. Anong oras na? Helena ko.
Alas 6 na ng umaga.
Magaling. Sige. Next one ay anong oras na? Anna Canning? 10 o'clock in the morning.
Sorry, my dog is barking. But alas 10 na ng umaga.
Magaling, magaling. Sige. Next. Anong oras na? 7 p.m. Rona Rica Baroa.
Alas 7 na ng gabi.
Magaling. Sige, last two. Okay, anong oras na? 8 a.m. Anong oras na? Angela Jordan?
Alas 8 na ng umaga.
Magaling. Sige, last one. Ryan Howe, anong oras na?
Alas 5 ng hapon? Or is that
Tama.
gabi?
Magaling. I guess it depends. Like, is 5 o'clock evening or is 5 o'clock still afternoon? I mean, a good rule of thumb for me is if I can see the sun, it's still afternoon. If there's no more sun, it's evening now for me. I think it's interesting because I know in my other class, they think that 5 p.m. is evening and others think 5 p.m. is still afternoon. Sige. But I guess it depends sa'yo. Okay, now tayo, let's learn how to ask what time is your work? What time is your class? What time is this event in your life? Sige. So meron akong series of questions. If you want to participate po, raise your hand. Sige. Ayan. Anong oras ang trabaho mo? What time is your work? Anong oras ang trabaho mo? You can say 2:00 ng hapon ang trabaho ko. Sige? Ayan. Anong oras ang trabaho mo, Eliza?
9:00 ng umaga ang trabaho ko.
Magaling. Sige. Anong oras ang trabaho mo, AJ Bayot?
Ala 8 ng umaga
Ang?
ang trabaho ko.
Magaling.
Pero walang trabaho. Walang trabaho.
Okay lang. That's okay. Walang problema. No problem. Sige. Sunod. Anong oras ang trabaho mo? Noelcy?
8:00 ng ng hapon ang trabaho ko.
Magaling. Salamat. Anong oras ang trabaho mo, Julie Subido?
7:00 ng umaga ang trabaho ko.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Okay, now next one ay klase. What time is your class? Sige. Anong oras ang klase mo? What time is your class? Robin Rilosa, anong oras ang klase mo?
8:00 ng gabi ang klase ko.
Magaling. Sige. So, para sa others na not participating, I hope that you are actually answering too. Sige, so that you can get used to how to answer sa Tagalog. Sige. Anong oras ang klase mo, Pandan Wangi? Sige.
9:00 ng umaga ang klase ko.
Magaling. Sige. Next ay Heather Corrales. Oh, actually, anong oras ang klase mo, Heather Corrales?
8:00 ng umaga ang klase ko.
Magaling. Sige. Okay, next one. Sige ay kasal, wedding. Let's say na you are attending a wedding and you forgot the time. So you're asking your family member, "Oh, what time is the wedding?" So you can say anong oras ang kasal. Now if you are asking the groom or the bride what time ang wedding nila, their wedding, then you can add mo. Okay? And then the answer should be ko. Okay? Sige, if you want to answer this question, raise your hand. Anong oras, I'm gonna ask for your wedding, okay? Anong oras ang kasal mo? Marian Daniel, anong oras ang kasal mo?
5:00 ng hapon ang kasal ko.
Magaling, salamat. Anong oras ang kasal mo? Raisa Ron?
8:00 ng gabi ang kasal ko.
Magaling. Sige. Anong oras ang kasal mo? Rexy?
3:00 ng hapon ang kasal ko.
Magaling. Anong oras ang kasal mo? James Graf?
Alas 4 ng hapon ang kasal ko.
Magaling. Chris Bautista, anong oras ang kasal mo?
Alas 11 ng umaga ang kasal ko.
Magaling. Sige. Salamat. Next one ay laro. Game. Your great game. Let's say maybe you have a soccer game, basketball game, and I want to watch. I want to ask you, what time is your game? Sige, anong oras ang laro mo? Anong oras ang laro mo, Francis Salvador?
Alas 4 ng hapon ang laro ko.
Magaling. Anong oras ang laro mo, Mark Loon?
Alas 10 ng umaga ang laro ko.
Magaling. Anong oras ang laro mo, Gabby Di Maapi?
Alas 4 ng hapon ang laro ko.
Magaling. Anong oras ang laro mo, Ana Palacios? Sige, nakamute ka.
Sorry, Ate Sherry.
Okay.
Alas 8 ang gabi ang laro ko.
Magaling. Sige, next po ay pelikula. Pelikula, movie. What time is the movie? Pelikula. But here's the truth. In the Philippines, they don't say pelikula. They just say movie. Sige? So, because there's so many, there's Taglish. They speak in Taglish. Like, it's so funny because they would say, if they want to say, I will watch a movie, they will reduplicate the English words. They would say, magwa-watch ako ng movie. So they apply the same rule sa English word on how to turn the Tagalog word into a future tense. Sige? Pero it's a good thing to know about the word pelikula. Sige, anong oras ang pelikula? What time is the movie? James Papilla, anong oras ang pelikula?
Alas 3 ang umaga ang pelikula.
Wow. 3 a.m. Anong show? What show is, anong movie?
The Odyssey.
3. Totoo. Sige, salamat. Sige. Next. Anong oras ang pelikula? Page.
Alas 8 gabi ang pelikula.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Okay, ngayon, next slide has a lot of words. Okay, deep breath. Okay, you got this, okay? I'm going to tell you what to do. We will apply ang days of the week with expressing time. Sige? So, ang question ko ay, anong oras ang, and then activity. Let's say, anong oras ang dentist appointment mo sa Lunes? So, I'm asking for the time of this appointment or activity in this specific day. Sige? So, I'm just gonna go straight. Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules, Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo. Okay? You can answer me by saying, alas 2 ng hapon ang dentist appointment ko sa Lunes. That's a lot of words, and that's what we want, right? We want to know how to express ourselves sa Tagalog using longer sentences. Sige? Okay. Who wants to answer my question? I will just ask random activities like concert mo, dentist appointment, dental appointment, the same thing, doctor's appointment, hearing. Sige? Okay. Anong oras ang fundraising mo sa Lunes? Anong oras ang fundraising mo sa Lunes, Claire?
Alas 6 ng gabi ang fundraiser ko sa Lunes.
Magaling. Sige. Magaling. Palakpakan. Kasi that was really long. Magaling. Sige. Next. Anong oras ang concert mo sa Martes? Anong oras ang concert mo sa Martes? Christina Rono, anong oras ang concert mo sa Martes?
Alas 8 ng gabi ang concert ko sa Martes.
Magaling! Palakpakan! Magaling. Sige, sunod. Anong oras ang hearing mo? Anong oras ang hearing mo sa Miyerkules? Anong oras ang hearing mo sa Miyerkules? Angela Jordan, anong oras ang hearing mo sa Miyerkules?
Alas 8:30 ng umaga ang hearing ko sa Miyerkules.
Magaling! Palakpakan! Sige. Sunod. Anong oras ang... I'm out of ideas. Anong oras ang doctor's appointment mo sa Huwebes? Anong oras ang doctor's appointment mo sa Huwebes? Ray Marcos.
Alas 3 ng hapon ang doctor's appointment ko sa, did you say Jueves?
I don't even know. I think Huwebes.
Okay, Jueves.
Sige, salamat. Magaling, palakpakan. Sige, next. Anong oras ang yard sale mo sa Biyernes? Anong oras ang yard sale mo sa Biyernes? Anna Canning.
Alas 7 ng umaga ang yard sale ko sa Biyernes.
Magaling. Sige. Sabado, last two. Anong oras ang meeting mo sa Sabado? El Maglalang.
Alas 9 ng umaga ang meeting ko sa Sabado.
Magaling. Sige. Next linggo. Anong oras ang flight mo sa linggo? Anong oras ang flight mo, Ate Cheryl?
Alas 12 ang madaling araw ang flight ko sa linggo.
That is so real. Like, flight at 12, at 1, at 3 o'clock in the morning. That, like, I've had flights ng 3 o'clock in the morning. Sige, good job. Okay, kumusta? How do we feel about that? Mabuti? Do you have like 5 more minutes to do level 2? Okay, this is fun. Okay, this is gonna be longer. Longer sentences, okay? Sige, look at this. Anong oras ang dentist appointment mo sa Lunes sa New York? Wow. So we have the time, we have the day, we have the location. Sige? Do you think you can do that? Kaya? Kaya? Kayang-kaya. You can do that. Sige? Sige? So in Tagalog, if someone says like, can you do that? Yes, I can. We say sisiu. Sisiu. I don't even know why we say sisiu. Sisiu means chicks. Like the chick of the chicken. Sisiu. Yeah, sisiu. Sige? Okay. My question ako, if you want to answer this, raise your hand. Anong oras ang concert mo sa Lunes sa LA? Okay? Anong oras ang concert mo sa Lunes sa LA? Anyone? Sige, Ryan.
Me? Okay. Alas 7 ng hapon ang concert ko sa Lunes sa LA.
Magaling! Magaling! Whew, I was like holding my breath the whole time because it's super long. Sige? Magaling. Next. Anong oras ang flight, no, actually, anong oras ang potluck mo sa Martes sa neighborhood? Sige. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Sino pa ang haven't called? Brave Sabio.
Di ba po it's Martes?
Martes.
Okay. So, alas 8 ng gabi ang potluck ko sa Martes sa bahay ko.
Sa bahay ko, magaling. Sige. Ayan, sunod. Okay, I'm gonna ask two more. Sige. Anong oras ang what else? Anong oras ang party mo sa Miyerkules sa I don't know a name of a place. Sa Vegas? Sige. Julie Subido.
Alas 8 ng gabi ang party ko sa Miyerkules sa Vegas.
Magaling! Magaling. Sige. Okay, last one. Last one na. I can't think of a word. Okay. Anong oras ang buffet mo? Like you own like a buffet place? I don't know. Anong oras ang buffet appointment mo sa Huwebes sa sa San Diego? Sige. Why am I making myself struggle? Sige. Okay, sino ang gustong mag-answer? Ray, Cyron, Antonio.
Alas 12 ng hapon ang buffet appointment ko sa Webes sa San Diego.
Magaling! Salamat! Palakpakan! Magaling, magaling. Salamat, my friend. Sige. So, gusto ko lang kayong i-encourage na write as many sentences as you can and then like you write them and then you speak them. That's how we learn a new language. Sige? Ayan. At just want to remind everyone that use the promo code Jeepney School if you are downloading or using World Remit. Maraming salamat, my friends. Salamat po. Kita-kits sa Lunes.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Ate Cherry. Ingat. Ingat kayo. Ate Cherry, salamat.
Salamat po.
Salamat. Ingat kayo.
Salamat.
Ingat kayo po.
Salamat.
Ingat-ingat. Kita-kits.
Ate, I have a question if that's okay.
Okay lang.
I told a friend about this, but they already know Tagalog. So they were wondering if you know anyone that like offers the same like style of class as yours, but for Ilocano.
Oh, Ilocano. That would be really cool. I don't know anyone. You might want to try ask Tagalog kids. Tagalog kids, they offer Tagalog classes as well. And I know University of Hawaii in Manoa are currently.
Ate, I have somebody.
Oh,
I have somebody who has an Ilocano class. They just started it. So I'll put it in the chat.
There you go.
I'll put their email in the chat.
Magaling. There you go. Salamat, Ate Marian. Sige. Anything else? My question ba? Wala? Wala? Sige. Okay. I'm gonna go cuddle with my kids na. Ingat!